All right, so the project at hand today is to clean out my dump truck bed. Yesterday we were hauling some stuff called river dredge. So it's this like clay type material. And the excavator got a lot of the bigger stuff out that was stuck on. But as you can tell, there's still some work to do on the side. And that's what I'm gonna try to get all cleaned out. That way other customer materials won't get contaminated or mixed up with this stuff here. So let's get started. I got a wider one, a narrower one, and then like this ice pick. that's what it looks like inside now. Fairly clean. Just gotta go in and do some touch-ups here. Pretty much as clean as I want it. You can see way better than before. I'll probably clean up some of these edges and should be good. I did some cleanup on the gravel part. Made the slope how it was, and now the truck's ready for another load. So one other thing I'd like to change is to tighten this chain so that it's not wobbling around when I drive and possibly creating some rust in the future. Also, I want to zip tie these up here so that they don't slide around, and I do need the chains, but I don't use them as often, so I figured it would be okay to just zip tie them, and then same thing on the other side. And you could probably guess what could happen 3, 4, 5 years down the road. So here's how they look now. I think they look a lot better. We'll see how long this lasts. And the other thing I was thinking is adding nice tight rubber bands around, so that way they can be easily adjustable and removable. I'll probably go ahead and switch those out later, but I think it looks really nice now. Uniform. These zip ties don't look too bad either. They kind of look factory. So yeah, that's this project.